Oh, sorry. Hey, why is it so dark?
That's better-ish.
Welcome back, everyone. No.
We need a better camera. Hold on. This is horrible lighting.
Oh no, it's too bright. Shine bright.
You know what? I'll hold it. It's fine.
Okay, guys, get ready with us to go to the Trilogy tour.
We're seeing Melanie Martinez live.
Yeah,
We're all gonna cry. We gotta get ready because we have to go soon to get food and then actually go.
We gotta get merch. We have to be there for the merch.
If the merch is sold out, I'm gonna scream.
We're gonna camp out.
Yeah, we're gonna try that. Oh my god, we have to pay for parking, don't we?
We don't even know what we're doing.
Yeah, we don't
Right
even.
now. We'll figure it out.
We'll get there, I guess. Oh, this is why we haven't been filming because we've been busy doing all of this shit. I look incredibly sickly.
No, I know. I hate this light with the light in the back.
Yeah, turn it off.
Is that better?
Well, this lighting is worse, but you know. We have to get ready. We have to eat. We have to come back and get ready again. We are not filming any time lapse of getting ready because that's gonna take too long.
I'm stressing.
I'm stressing too. I'm stressing too. So I'm gonna do the transition.
Okay.
We're pretty much ready. Julian's taking forever. We God almighty. Hold on, I'm gonna prop this up.
Wait.
Yeah, I have different hair this time again. Right back to my roots. Josie has different hair this time too. For the first time ever.
Yes, yes.
Julian is. He made eye contact with me and just flipped his beanie up to put it on his head. We have to show
I don't know how
outfits.
it looks.
You look like you're wearing a beanie.
Yeah,
I don't know if I like it.
it's up to you.
It looks goofy.
It looks goofy from the back. No,
It looks
okay.
goofy from
It looks fine. It looks fine. It looks really good.
I don't like it.
Then don't wear it. I'm forcing you. I think we look slay sick.
I think we look amazing.
Edit
We
that
need
one
to.
out.
We need to. We need to do a outfit tour.
Full body.
Yeah, full body cam. Sounds weird, actually. Full body in 1 second. I guess Julian will be last. Anyways, I'll do you first.
Here's my fit. I don't know what to like say.
She doesn't have shoes on yet, but you still can't see
that.
them.
My dogs. This is the top. It's like a little knit top in case it's kind of chilly. The back of the top that I'm wearing underneath has wings.
I'm just gonna flip it up. Yeah, you can see that totally.
And then
Her skirt,
skirt.
super cute.
Little bows.
Little stockings.
And
Show the nails. Plug the nails.
The
Nails are
nails.
If they'd ever
good.
focus. If they will
We
ever
can just
focus.
insert a
We'll
photo.
insert
Yes,
We'll
they
insert the
focus.
photo.
They look good.
Thanks, thanks.
We'll also link the person who made them.
Yes.
Yes.
It's Kawaii Claws on Etsy, but we'll find a photo.
We'll figure that out.
Put it on the screen.
Mm-hmm. Show your hair.
My hair.
It's pink.
Pink.
Pink. Her makeup is
Makeup.
slay.
No,
Can't
that's
believe
a
I
little
ever
scary
said slay.
close.
I know.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I stopped recording when you.
That's fine.
Okay, ready? Wait, all of our stuff is in the back.
Yes,
Go over there.
So just stand in the same spot again.
Okay,
Okay.
don't get my shoes first.
Cute.
Thank you. I have my shoes are not right today, but we'll fix that in a minute. I have this thing. This is a shirt.
Sleeves.
Glad it works. These tied. These were a bitch to tie. This is fun. Here's my skirt. It's got multiple layers. Wish I brought pants to wear afterwards, but I didn't. But you know, that's fine. My hair is blonde now. And my nails are nothing but basic black. There's like a design on them, but it's also black, so you can't really see it.
Okay.
Your turn.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Beanie, Melanie shirt. We got the cargo pants with the chains, and then Converse.
Yeah, my boots are in the car.
Okay.
I'll put those on later.
Boots and pants and
I don't
boots
know if I
and
like
pants.
that.
Okay.
We'll decide on the way, and then you can just take it off in the car.
Yeah.
And we'll film in the car too when we're on the way. But for now, we want to go so we can get merch because it's like 4:30 and we want to get there even though it opens at
Park
6.
and-
We want to get there and park.
Bark.
Park.
Oh, I was like, that is not what we. Yeah, it's falling off now. No, my thing.
We're in the car. We're going there. I'm nervous.
I'm excited.
I'm nervous. I'm sweating too.
It's a lot of traffic.
There's gonna be traffic, unfortunately.
I might have to just make a U-turn.
Yeah, we'll figure this out. It's bright out. We will film a little bit while we're there, but I think for the most part we're gonna focus on the actual concert itself. And plus, our phones can only hold so much storage. My phone can only hold so much storage. So we want to focus on the concert, and we can cry, and then we'll do a before and after, I guess. But anyways,
It's so hot.
it's so hot that it's...
Look,
It's not sticky anymore.
It's not
Mine do
sticky.
that too.
The police. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop.
this is under the police.
Whoop, whoop.
Ooh, someone did an oopsie. What do we? Oh.
So afraid of my skirt.
It's so
That's your fault.
I'm not excited. But
It's hot. I'm hot. We went through like an hour of lines. An hour of lines.
Crazy. My makeup looks crazy-ish. Got some soda and water.
my hair's literally like fucked from the sweat.
Oh, I see that. I'm sweating. I'm hot. I'm really happy to be inside. But now we're gonna go actually watch the show in a little bit. I'm like shaking from anxiety. I'm so sorry. This is a horrible angle though.
Okay, so $4 that's probably why they're so expensive.
Yeah. We're here. We're here. We're here.
Oh my goodness.
We're here. I'm nervous. It's gonna start soon. My hair is not working with me.
Let's text the number.
Yeah, text the number, see if we can get a seat upgrade. This is crazy. Oh my god, I can zoom in so far.
Yeah. We'll be able to zoom in a lot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we were gonna make a transition video. Someone else talk. I have a headache so bad. Holy shit.
A lot just happened.
That was insane. That was amazing. We're gonna go to IHOP at 11 p.m. It literally is like prom all over again.
We got merch.
We got merch. Mine's in my purse. I'm not pulling it out.
Merch. I cried on it, but that's okay.
Yeah, I'm crying now. And I can't even take off this makeup because I didn't bring makeup remover. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Oh my god, I love you so much. Anyways, so I lost my voice low-key.
Yeah.
I am a little pitched in a way that is not good. How do you feel, Joe?
I don't know.
Yeah, literally.
I started crying 2 times.
I started crying.
I started crying because I was like, this is so
What song
insane.
was it?
Light shower made me cry. My
think it was
ears,
Light Shower, but
Oh,
I don't
I'm
know.
deaf in this year, low-key, not even gonna lie. Like,
It
my ears
was.
ringing.
It was just, it went by so fast.
It went by so fucking quickly.
Like so fast.
Holy shit, but it was
First story.
amazing.
We're like,
Is when I started crying.
Oh
and
my
then
God.
light shower, and then I was like,
Oh, did you hear that?
yeah. I was like, this is real.
I know. Yeah,
That's when it
Light
hit me.
Shower's when it hit me, and
I was like,
Battle of the Larynx
okay,
when
this
it hit
is
me.
really real.
Yeah, and then there was fire, and I was like, what the fuck? I recorded like every song,
Same.
and I didn't even plan on it.
I wish you played Pluto.
Whatever the hell.
That's
Ow.
from the deluxe.
Well,
Yeah.
Whale.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna go to IHOP now because we need to eat because we're hungry, and it's like
my-
it's 11 p.m. like I've said already, but
okay.
That was amazing. I'm exhausted. We're probably gonna film more in the morning because I don't even know what the fuck we filmed today. I thought I lost it now. So, see you in the morning.
I'm so sorry.
Not the Duolingo!
I'm so
I thought we were
sorry.
gonna use your free El Cafe.
I have to get my Bloxburg money.
I was gonna use my streak and then I got scared. I didn't know if I had any more.
So now you have to do your Duolingo. That's what I did mine before until they
Okay.
picked me up. We're not gonna film an IHOP. We might film us eating back at the hotel.
Yeah, because we'll bring it back.
I added the song.
Tipsy.
We'll see you back at the hotel.
So that was a fucking trip, bro. I don't remember anything. What was your? What were you? You guys talk. You talk about something.
A moment when it hit. Light shower.
Yeah.
That's when I was like, this is happening.
The moment it
Tears
hit me.
were shed.
Yeah, I was crying. I think I started crying during Strawberry Shortcake.
Oh my god.
And then she died, and everyone was like, "Oh my god." We got merch on.
Yep.
Yeah.
He doesn't. My shirt's too big,
in my
but
bag. It's kind of big.
I didn't have the chance to
I'll
switch it
just
out.
shrink it.
Yeah.
Everyone was dressed really cool.
Everyone was dressed so cool. So many people made their costumes.
Yeah. I was like, what the actual?
It was amazing. Except now we are so tired, and that's why this ending is shit, because we don't know anything that happened. We don't remember anything from last night. We got back to the hotel. The pillows were moist
Ew.
for some fucking reason.
Mine, I don't know why yours was.
Ours were square,
And
his were rectangle.
Mine were normal pillows and not moist.
I don't know what the point of that is. No.
That was disgusting.
It was fun. We liked it. This one's a lot shorter, but you know, this one might be really easy for me to edit, which is exciting.
Was it on?
No.
Who turned it on?
Not me. I didn't even know that was up there.
Sorry.
So then, who turned it on?
No one.
Then it was on last night.
No. I didn't notice it when we got here.
I didn't either until now. Someone just turned it on without even knowing. That's crazy. Okay.
Witch. I was gonna shout and make like that witch joke, but I can't shout. It hurts to talk. Let's go home.
Munchy.
Munchy. Oh, it's a croissant.
Croissant.
Damn, should have gotten one.
Sausage, egg, and cheese croissant.
But I'm a pescatarian, so I can't. Anyways, next video. Fuck knows what we're doing. We have to think of that. Outro. This was fun. We recommend going. Hopefully next time we're more rich and we can afford closer seats to the stage. Because your camera was not happy about that.
Ew.
Yeah, and we were so high up.
We were so high up. Oh god, the escalators.
Oh yeah.
The way I tripped in
The
IHOP
pure.
and busted my knee.
The pure.
Look, it's literally like, it's red now.
That's crazy.
like-
It's bruising up. It has a whole purple
Tripped.
purple circle.
Yeah, because we went to, we went to IHOP, and I fucking fell when we were leaving IHOP.
You were like, you tripped me. And Josie's like, no, I
Oh, I
didn't.
didn't.
Literally, how would I was walking forward.
And you're like, I felt you stepped.
She did. And then I don't
Maybe
know
you
how that
stepped on
tripped
it.
her.
I don't know either.
No, it was my heel. How would I step backwards if I'm walking forward?
I don't know then.
It's too bright out. We hope you guys enjoyed whatever the fuck we did. We were gonna do a lot more. But we didn't get around to it. That's okay though. My brain feels like it's going to explode. I'm ready to leave. Bye bye. Outro time. Everyone say goodbye like it's our last video ever. We go on another 9-month hiatus. After this, we just stop uploading again. Bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye. Someone else turn the camera off. I'm sick of touching that fucking button. I've done it enough. Ew, you missed!